Sanibona bafethu uvana lo. So imatch elandelayo Orlando Pirates bayodlala against iDurban City. Sayazi ke bafethu iDurban City iclub le bafethu edlala le eThekwini eyayibizwa ngeMaritzburg United. Bayobhekana nje kuma quarter finals eMTN 8. Lamateam omabili ke bafethu anamagqubu omabili. Orlando Pirates, remember what happened last season ngenkathi ke iDurban City ivimbi Orlando Pirates from lifting iBetway Premiership le e-Orlando Amstel Arena. Ziningi ke inkulumo behind this match, so ngizoshaya ke i-lineup prediction yami mina ngokubona kwami isquad engingabona ke siqala kule game lesidlala futhi ke kangcono and futhi ke siuthola. Ngingasho kodwa ukuthi ke u3 points, but ke i-win siyayidinga la because kumele ke sidlule kwi-next round lapho kona sodlala khona ama-semi-finals. Singesazi sodlala noma between iMamelodi Sundowns, iPolokwane City, AmaZulu, iGolden Arrows, kube Kaizer Chiefs neSikhukhune. Singesa ukuthi ke sizobhekana namaphi ama-clubs kulo ma-clubs akhona azobeke edlala nawo kuwona lo mncintiswano. Kodwa ke mina nayi lineup yami engizoyishaya. Ungitshele wena yakho kuma-comments, ungayigxeki yami lineup, ngiyacela. Ungayigxeki lineup yami, ungitshele yakho kuma-comments ke iyiphi wena ke i-lineup ongaqala ngayo kulomdlalo lo. Epaleni ngaqalisa uSibochain, angifuna ulwe ngichaza kakhulu regarding uSibochain bafethu, ngiyalwazi udaba ngayo umjide ke uyena goalkeeper mina ke engamqalisa kule game le. Ubaluleke kakhulu uSibochain kuyona i-defense yakhe Orlando Pirates. Masukuthi ke ama center backs wakhe. Yes, I spoke about changing the center back pairing during the week, but ke ngokubona kwami I feel like kusa-ili kakhulu ukuthi ke sishintshe, kumele ke sibe siqhubeka ngabo labajida laba. Maybe ke we are going to implement that through the game. Sibone ukuthi ke if we introduce another center back, lo mdlali ke uzodlala kanjani, maybe ke with uSibisi, maybe ke with uSiyema, because these center backs they are both right footed, so ama mistakes they are bound to happen kulona kwi-side la Sibisi because he's playing in that left center back role, yabo. So even if we shift uSiyema simdlalise ngala ka left center back, there are mistakes that are going to happen in this side, yabo, because he's not a left footed center back, yabo. So we need a left foot center back ozodlala kuleli side le. But ke I trust the two boys ukuthi ke basazophinde futhi basinikeze another clean sheet, ba protect ugoalkeeper wabo okuSibochain, yabo. Masukuthi ke ama wing backs esoqala ngawo, same wing backs ke bafethu esoqala ngawo njengales game siqala ngalama wing backs. Yona back four kahle kahle le esebenzelayo at the moment okubani na okusibelebele no Dion Hotto. Dion Hotto ke bafethu umjida kumele ke abuya akhumbula ukuthi ke ushiye i-defender edlala as left center back, but ke elingasiyona i-left center back, because I feel like at too many times siyabona umjida eba exposed ubani na uSibisi, yabo. uSibisi uma eba exposed lokho kudala i-team ukuthi ke iface ama shots angena sidingo lapho ke ugoalkeeper wethu uSibochain wakwathi kuyasisize last game, but ke uDion Hotto kumele abuya akhumbula ukuthi ke kumele asisize yena ubani na uSibisi avele isikhala, uSibisi angaloku efuna ukclearisha ibhola because uzoba nenkinga, yabo. So I trust abajida bazokwazi ke basebenzisane going forward, sikwazi ke siye phambili, yabo. So vele yona le back four mina ngokubona kwami le game le izosebenzela kakhulu because usibelebele benawo Dion Hotto bayakwazi ukuthi ke bakhuphuke baye phambili, yabo, which is fine because usibelebele uyakwazi ukubuya azosiza uSiyema. Dion Hotto sometimes uyabuya, sometimes uyangabuyi, which is something ekumele ke ilungiswe lapho because there are players that might replace yena uDion Hotto njengoNeo Rapo, njengoNdaba, bayakwazi ke benze lo msebenzi ukuthi ke barane beye phezulu baphinde beke babuye phansi. Ngithanda le game le iDurban City, they have everything to lose. Akufani njenga last time they had nothing to lose. In that game they had nothing to lose. They qualified for ICAF Confed. They won in Nedbank Cup. I think they finished on top 8. Yabo, babe finished in top 8. So they had nothing to lose in that game. So nje by just sitting at the back, ayikho into ababezoyenza. But kule game they must come at us. They like it or not. They try to do it ngosikhathi ke sidlala eMos Mabhida when we won, I think go 2-0 if I'm not mistaken. 2 or 3-0 ngikhumbuza iscore ngosikhathi ke idlala lapha iDurban City against Orlando Pirates. So kule game le kuzomela basuke emuva. Mebesuka ke emuva yilapho khona Orlando Pirates ezothola khona opportunity ukuthi ke isebenze kuleyo defense yayo inina iDurban City. Lapho khona sebengahleli deep, yabo. Iyona mina into engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo kule. Masukuthi ke the two center mids ngizoqalisa bani na, ngizoqalisa yena uThandi Mbatha noSehlendulo. Orlando Pirates provided us with feedback regarding yena usehlendile kuthiwa ke uMjida he is fully fit, he is back with the squad Orlando Pirates. Ukuyikona ukuthi ke last game we didn't see him kwi match day squad, but ke he is really needed in that midfield Orlando Pirates because it looks like izinto ke azikho balanced that much. Yabo, if we are not going to start a number 6, what is the point of playing a game, especially ke igame ekanje, especially ke igame ekanje enjenge Depensize? Kumele senze sure ukuthi ke si balanced on all accounts, si balanced ngayo yonke indlela, yabo. So lapha esiswini mina ngaqalisa yena Talent Mbatha benawo Sihlenduli, yabo. That is my center mid. Wena wangitshela ngokwakho ubani number 10, uba number 6, uba number 8. Masukuthi ke ama wingers ami kule game le ngaqalisa bani na, ngingaqalisa uOzwin Apolis. Ozwin Apolis ke bafethu yena Mjida ozokora kule game. I spoke about Ozwin Apolis benobani na, benawo Tsepang Morem. Ngasho ukuthi ke ngenzeka bakore kule game esiphuma kuyona, nangempela abajida benze lo kade ngikusho. So Ozwin Apolis is that player owenza kahle kakhulu mfethu, yabo. He started this season on a high note by scoring that free kick, so I'm expecting to see a lot of goals from him kule season le. Ngifuna ke athole zonke le icoco lezi ebekade ithola uMfukeng, because he's a very very good player. But it's a pity ukuthi we didn't see his greatness lapha ku World Cup, but ke going forward uMjida I want him to push even more for Orlando Pirates, push even more for iBafana Bafana, yabo. Masukuthi ke lapha ka left nyamazi bafethu Tsepang Morem bafethu uhlupho ngempela. uMjida ke uyawazi umsebenzi wakhe, yabo, uyawazi ngempela umsebenzi wakhe, ispeed sakhe. The thing is last game orefate bekhona I think bebona ama offside angekho, yabo. Lethi gijima kakhulu, ibhola lethu lifast kakhulu, so sidinga ama forwards a fast, strike is fast, sicabanga fast, yabo. So abajida bawu2 bayakwazi ke ba add leyo value phambili. Mase kuthi ke number 10 wethu I feel like abantu abaningi they are missing the point here regarding ubani na number 10, yabo. Yes ngizomfaka, he is my number 10 okubani na yena bafethu uTito Maswanganyi, yabo. Many people are getting this idea regarding Tito Maswanganyi ukuthi ke ulazy. Tito Maswanganyi is not lazy, guys. Tito Maswanganyi is not lazy. He's a different type of player. If you play him with players abaceshe bafane naye, awuboni lapho the great of Tito Maswanganyi. If you are pairing with Tito Maswanganyi with Evidence Makgopa, you see the best of Tito at times. But if you pair him with Mabasa, you see a world-class Tito Maswanganyi, because Mabasa is so alert. If you pair him with a striker esicishe sifane naye ngokudlala okubani na, lo Mjida lo uMbuthuma afethu ke he is that striker ungazi more aware yini. A very very good poacher. Mbuthuma is a good poacher. Mbuthuma is a very very good striker, but at times you can see that the player is not aware ukuthi ke kumele enze njani eboxini. At times you see the player passing in the box and you even question yourself ukuthi ke as a striker's mentality, when you're on the box, try to shoot at the goalkeeper. Even it gets as a rebound, your players are going to finish that job, yabo. So that is my critic regarding uMbuthuma. uMbuthuma is a very very good striker mina ngokwami, but ke kumele abe aware ukuthi ke ukuphi nendawo, yabo. Lapha eboxini indawo yakho, lapha is a striker. Kumele wenze sure ukuthi ke ubulala yonke into. Awukwazi ukuthi ke uzodropa deep uzobanga ibhola with Tito Maswanganyi mase niyabhuduzela lapha ningazi nenze njani. If uTito Maswanganyi ephethe ibhola, iba aware as a striker ukuthi ke ngiphuma ngakuphi, ngabe ngishona ngala, yabo. Uthola phethe ibhola uTito Maswanganyi, uMakgopa lapha uyiwing. uMakgopa eyiwing, uTito Maswanganyi ephethe ibhola, uzophasela ba ibhola phambili. That is my critic regarding uMakgopa. uMakgopa is a good striker. Uyibona ukuthi ke umthola each and everywhere. Mbuthuma yena uvela drop deep, azofuna ukubangisana nebhola, ungamtholi phambili, uzomphasela amabhola. Nasi mina striker ngasiqalisa kule game namhlanje. I know a lot of people bangathi Vane, why are you starting uLuthuli? uLuthuli akaze ayithola game time kaningi, why umqalisi? Mina ngokwami I feel like uLuthuli I deserve game time. And kule game ke bafethu, this is a cup match. Nje kuyi cup match, I feel like uLuthuli, this is where we should try and give these guys a minute, yabo. Even if uLuthuli asinikeze lot of staff, simshintshe ke sifake istriker ke infuna ke sesinikeze something. Mina ngokwami I would give uLuthuli i-opportunity. We saw the glimpses of uLuthuli uma elithola ithuba. He's a very very good striker, him or uRadyopan. You can tell me in the comments ingathini wena ke ilineup yakho, but ke iyona mina ilineup le engaqala ngayo against iDurban.